In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently back up your website using HostGator cPanel. Creating regular backups is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your data and ensuring that you can restore your site in case something unexpected happens. Whether you're updating your website, changing hosts, or just safeguarding your information, having a reliable backup process is essential. So let's dive in and explore how to do this with ease. Start by logging into your HostGator cPanel account. Once you've entered your login credentials, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. The cPanel interface is user-friendly, and all your website management tools are right at your fingertips. From here, you want to locate the File Manager. This is a powerful tool that allows you to directly manage the files on your server just like you would on your computer. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Once you're in File Manager, your next step is to find your website's root folder. Now, most of the time, this will be the public HTML folder. That's the space where your website files are stored, and when visitors type your domain name, that's the folder they're essentially accessing. As you navigate to this directory, you'll see various files and folders listed. It's important to ensure you're in the correct location, as this is where all the magic happens on your site. Next up, it's time to select all the files in your website's directory. Think of this as gathering all the essential pieces of your online presence into one neat package. After you've selected the files, you'll compress them. Look for the option to create an archive, and you'll typically compress the data into a zip file. Compressing your files not only makes them easier to download and manage, but it also reduces the storage space needed, making the whole process more efficient. Once your files are compressed, it's time to download the zip file to your computer. This downloadable zip file will act as your backup, ensuring that all your hard work and data are secure and available to restore whenever you might need it. Simply right-click on the compressed file and select the download option. Choose a location on your computer where you'll safely store this backup file. Lastly, depending on your website setup, you may also need to back up your database. If your website uses a dynamic database, head over to ppMyAdmin in your cPanel. Exporting your database separately ensures you've covered all bases, safeguarding both the content and data of your site. When exporting, make sure to select the appropriate database, usually associated with your website, and download it to your computer as an SQL file. Just like that, you've created a